Well, hello there. My name is James Shepard, and I'm a member of the Christian Science Board of Lectureship. And I'd like to invite you to a lecture. It's called Why Everyone is Needed and What That Means. I don't think there's anything more important in our lives than feeling loved and valued and needed. And in this lecture, we're going to explore our unbreakable connection to God, infinite love. And we'll see how this connection gives us permanent worth and purpose. We'll see examples of lives that have been transformed from dark times to healing and progress. So I hope you'll join me for this Christian Science lecture. Hope to see you there.